So at the beginning of the program, we start off with a slew of ideation sketches. And what we do in this exploration phase is really try and flesh out what are the most appropriate design elements for the car. So we developed 3 final design themes represented here in these images. Ultimately, we went here with theme A, as this really represented perhaps more the brutal side of the 3 design themes. But there were elements of some of the other themes that really influenced the final design.
Everything on this car is brand new. Every single part we designed, reinvented. There's a lot of key elements which we took and got inspired from our heritage. And there's certainly a bloodline running through the entire car.
We talk about this punching out quality, this fist breaking through glass or punching through the wind. And the whole front end was really developed around this theme, and that's been a historical cue from Mustang since day one.
You can see the dominant shark nose bite, which we actually took from our 64.5 and through the 69. You can see our headlights came much more forward, so I have this forward-facing look, and our nose is very proud. You can see the whole silhouette, what we did for the new car. Basically, we moved the entire cabin rearward, so that gives you actually a longer hood and creates a more selfish greenhouse cabin for the driver, and it gives you that 64, 65 look of the car.
We were really looking at all the design elements and how we could evolve them to send a new modern message. And we ultimately ended up along this theme here with this, what we call a unified DLO graphic, which stands for daylight opening, i.e. the side glass. And once we came to this conclusion, it really helped to modernize the car and just bring it into a new dimension. It also helped to really set up a fastback profile for us.
We made the rear track wider, pulled the haunch rear outboard, and then we made the backlight narrower, so in order to achieve that really wide fender, which gives you that muscle car look.
We pulled the wheels out 20 millimeters per side, and that really allowed us to get a very, very strong muscular haunch over the rear wheels.
What we also said, we want to have a 3-dimensional quality on this car. If you look at all the surfacing through the decklet, it's very 3-dimensional. It's very unique. And I think the taillights, we took a next step. We got inspired by 69 cars, but we did it in a very modern way.
You'll be able to identify this car from miles down the road just with those tri-bar tail lamps illuminated at night, and it's unmistakable Mustang.